Khangabok Thoubal gi District and Session Court building na NIA gi court ama Hangdok Khre exclusive special court manipur NIA haina mingthonba NIA court ama ngasi hauda bi matung ina Thoubal district Khangabok ta leiba District and Session Judge ki court building da lamdam asigi Chief Minister Yumnang Khemchana athoiba mithung oiduna Hangdok Khre Ngasigi Thoromaduda Manipur High Court ki Chief Justice M. Sundar Manipur Lenga ki Home Amasung Yauski Minister Konthaujam Govindas Manipur High Court ki Judge Singh A.B. Mol Singh Amasung A. Guneshwar Sharma Khangabok AC ki MLA Okram Suraj Kumar Amasung Manipur Lenga ki Principal Secretary Law Arun Kumar Sinhasu Saruyaki Thoubal Chief Minister Yumnang Khemchana hai ngasi hangdokleba exclusive special court NIA asina lamdam asigi case kayagi achumba wayel fangnaba hotnabada khumang chawshinba ngamlagani hauzik lamdam ase thogliba hingsa gi thodo wathok singi case sing ningthina wayel pibada court asina chawna kanana piba ngamgani haibagi thajabasu Chief Minister na thamki Chief Minister na hai NIA na paiba case sing da chenaba miyoi sing na legal proceeding lokhatpada haradi mapang gi state sing the cell amasung matam manga chadarambani haujikti NIA court asi laklabani na asigumba miyam na thengnaramba awaba kaya amadi hantaragani lamdam asigi miyam da achuma wayal matam chana fanghanbada ngasi hangdogliba court asina kanaba yamna piragani haiba wafum sing thamki ngasigi thoromaduga mari leinana as Manipur High Court ki Chief Justice M. Sundar na phongdokhibada National Investigation Agency Act 2008 ki Section 11 ki makhada Manipur State NIA Special Court ahum leire makoi sing adudi NIA Special Court number 1 da District and Session Court Imphal East NIA Special Court number 2 da District and Sessions Court Imphal West amasung ngasi hangdokliba NIA Exclusive Special Court asini Justice asina high experience na udibadi NIA case singi complexity amasung sensitivity asi hojiki matamda yamna chokholakli amasung masida special on a focus tawbagi darkar yamna lei haiki Thoubal da court asi hanglibasi Supreme Court ki direction makhada district asigi matam kaya ki mamangdagi darkar oramba ama fanghalabani haiki Masigidamakta Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, amasung Government of Manipur pumnamakna thamoi sengna hotnaba aduna mapum faba ngambani haina thagatpasu phongdokhi. Justice amakha tana phongdokhibada Manipur gi judicial infrastructure asi chawkhathanbagi maruoiba amagi saruk amani. High Court na state government da additional court sing semgatnaba Ministerial staff sing henganaba amasung supporting infrastructure sing semgatnaba proposal sing pikibasu laikhrabani. Haujikti judiciary na mahaki mapumo faba responsibility sing adu lokhanaba amasung court asi segatpagi maruoiba objective adu mapum fana fanghalagani haibagi thajaba leire haiba wafam su thamki
NIA gi court ama leibasina justice delivered over matamda kogi khumang sausanna thuna tawgani haibagi thajaba thamjari loinana irang leiba lewaknina NIA related courts case aduki matik yamna leibanina ekoigi client singa mapanda chatana yamna expensive oina chalambaduma handarani haibagi adugi engwanda koigi hause loinana justice delivered tawda athuba matamda tawbagi system ama nakna lerabulina oiragani aina khanjaraganda e tinbiriba punampu thagadu phongru sari jai
Article 21 does not operate in vacuum. It extends equally to the accused, the victims, the witnesses and the society at large. Constitutional guarantees. Liberty without timely adjudication becomes uncertain. Justice security without due process becomes unsustainable. The true task of a constitutional democracy is therefore to maintain a careful balance between individual rights and collective security. The sequitur is unmistakable. A robust justice delivery system must be capable of protecting both. Ergo, the establishment of this exclusive court is not merely an administrative development. It is a constitutional measure. It may be apposite to note that prior to this day, the state of Manipur already has 3 courts designated under Section 11 of the NIA Act 2008, namely NIA Special Court number 1, District and Sessions Court Imphal East, NIA Special Court number 2, District and Sessions Court Imphal West, and NIA Special Court number 3, District and Sessions Court Churachandpur. However, these courts were simultaneously discharging the extensive responsibilities of regular district and served an institutional necessity. Experience has demonstrated that the growing complexity and sensitivity of NIA matters require a more focused and specialized adjudicatory mechanism. The recent proceedings before Honorable Supreme Court of India in suo motu petition criminal number 1 of 2026, name of the case is in re creation of special exclusive courts, where the matter concerning the creation of exclusive special courts under the NIA